My friend, man.
Why you post it?
Me need
yeah,
to
irritate me. Yeah, irritate me. Why you post it?
Yo,
Why you post it? Yeah,
depending
irritate me.
inside, man.
Why you post it?
Bomb
Yeah, irritate me. Why you post it? If I feel single,
Jesus Christ, we're putting off after the black.
If I feel single, go on.
Let's put him laptop.
If I feel single, go on. If I feel single, go on.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is here again with another prank, and as you can see by the title, I post on my Instagram and my WhatsApp and say I'm single. Come on, see Abbi go react. I'm on IG just strolling now, waste a good time. I'm look. I see image post it and I say, you know what? At the right time for drop it in. So somebody tell me about it like probably a week ago, you know, and I never remember for do it. But right now, Abbi is busy doing our video for Abbi Madness, our channel. Go check it out. So guys, make sure to the prank here. So I post on my Instagram and on my WhatsApp so people can see it. And I'm going to try to text Abbi and blow her phone, but I know say she's not going to know because her phone is on airplane mode, thank God. If you're not new, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. Select all. Don't select none or personalize. Select all. I'm telling you from now. Make sure to follow up on Instagram. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers before the month done. Shout out SNS family. Go over to them channel and subscribe and whatever I need to do over there. But shout out SNS family. Comment Team Capo down below. Right now. Team Capo. And just enjoy the video. Hope it go well still. Abbi just done. Do a video them shall come in soon, come edit, so the camera up already and running. So we have a couple minutes to wait now and see what time she'll forward in, and so we can get the prank on the road. Yo.
Abbi, it's madness.
When
I post it today. You know.
Charger, my one there is the one there old one. You think the good pen fit in it? Yeah, alright.
Because I'm in the idiot. Excuse me.
Yo hablo, tu hablas, ella habla, usted habla, what? Now in Spanish. Nosotros hablamos, ellas hablan.
A few moments later.
To be able to, what?
Why you post this? You're single.
I believe it, Hello.
Why you post this?
I try to more.
Why you post it?
Every time I try to do
Why you post it?
Look on laptop.
Why you post it?
I never try to get in.
Why you post it?
Yeah, sense. Put on laptop here.
Why you post it? You're single.
You know me.
If you're single, why you are there?
Yeah, check the
If you're single, why you are there? Single person are their own people. Why post that? I want night some enough for editing. No, you know. I'm sure I look on people's status. I say that man, I say alright then. I say you're a big single. Why you single? Why you post this?
Don't mean me single.
Why you post it then? Somebody in a relationship now go post them for you.
Just calm down yourself, man. Let me give you a strong bar. Give me laptop.
I say I take some Charmaine, you know.
Give me laptop now.
Charmaine say, Abbi, come here. Let me see what time you post this.
Give me laptop, please.
You post this 12:32. And then I do my video in. Yeah, but why you post it? No, why you post it?
Give me laptop now, please.
And Charmaine text me after 1. Why you post say you're single?
Give me laptop.
Yeah, but why you post say you're single? Let's see, why you post say you're single? If you're single, why you do here? Why you do here if you have a post that?
I'm single?
Why you post it then? That me want to know why you post it.
You're not going to understand. Just give me laptop here, man.
Why you post say you're single? And you're there in my yard.
I'm finished work.
Single person and
I'm done more making talk about this.
Yeah, but you either want to talk about it now.
No.
I know your time now.
Of course I'm in time.
I'm need to talk to you. Why you pussy single?
I'm saying express myself on social media. What problem?
Express yourself. Why? How? What? You feel single?
Some feel sometimes.
Then go and leave, please.
So I'm going to go
Yeah, leave. Since I feel single, leave. Might as well leave.
From what you're not attention.
Alright, leave. You have to come post on social media with your right self.
Give me laptop.
Leave.
You want to look good on social media?
What do you mean?
Yeah. Just send some vex now. If you take someone, if you tell the person you have the pizza though, she the point and they feel that way. If I write the post, you can see I did me. My laptop.
If me go post that spam, if me go post that on my Instagram, not my somebody, what you that feel? Of course, my fucking phone, fucking crashes, yeah. Why you post it? I'm one. Oh, you say you feel single. Why you do here? What you do here? You leave. I'm serious.
I do the
You
damn
feel
thing.
single? You leave.
I'm not going to go back. I'm never go yet. That's why.
Me help you. I will help you. I would think you never unpack your clothes. You feel single? You leave. Because you run and post things on social media. More single. Act
Just
like
all I heard my start.
act like
They're
you're
going to
things.
give me laptop.
You really act like you're things.
So you bug them.
You really act like you're things. I'm putting in a band.
Oh, you feel like a fast.
Because I say I got edit. Because I don't edit.
Move on.
But I say I want to throw through first. Like I always do. When I jump and edit, so you know that too. You post something after 12 when I do my video, because you know I'm not going to see shit. Why you post it?
I don't tell you already when I post it. I don't feel like being in a relationship no more.
Okay.
When I start the damn YouTube, whatever you want to call the channel name. You don't have time for me again?
Somebody tell me about it.
Yeah. Bam.
Yeah, man.
The last 3 weeks or a month now, you say you move from one day. Where, what?
The Charmian just text me about. Must say, I just a while ago, me just done do my Abbi's madness song. I'm say, alright, then I'm going fast for people, what's not. Then I look and see, me in here right now, I argue with dirty, nasty germs.
Oh, you talk to someone?
You, stinking dirty boy. Why, keep on me not around.
Oh, hello.
I'm not around.
Don't scare for them anger my kingdom, man.
You see? You don't want nobody to feel uncomfortable, not feel like I'm not
Good
showing
girl.
attention. I don't want nobody to come tell like for me. Because
What?
when I'm there, I show you all that attention.
Oh,
So do not
Oh.
tell like for me. You see, guys.
they're going back.
As good thing you never unpack, maybe that's why you feel single. I must say that's why you never unpack. You know, say, alright, go on.
They're going back.
Go.
Not time for they're going back now?
You feel single,
They're
you go
going
on.
back.
You feel single, you go on.
Ah!
And then I go talk about my YouTube channel about it. Oh, all this madness, I play a part in all this.
It's all that type of from money.
So what?
You not talk about anything about that? No, what I mean?
Alright then, alright. Bye.
You have time for nobody, man? Tell the truth now.
But
Big
that's
man.
it,
You have time for nobody? You have time for nobody?
I don't want to put time to say, alright, then I'm going to make a
You
video.
make a video
That
every day.
was about
You
2
make a
weeks.
video.
Oh,
You want to make a video?
when?
If you not make a video right about the channel, then yo, they're going back here, man.
You
Are you ready
serious?
for the relationship? They're going back now?
I just show me I have like such things.
They're going back.
Yeah, but I'm serious.
Yeah, they're going back.
So you say you feel single, that, you say you feel, me didn't bother. If me know why
Let go of my body.
do not why you feel uncomfortable around me, but do not why you feel like you're single around me. So the best
Let
thing
go
for
of my word
I
protection.
just go on.
Let go of my word protection then.
Best thing for I just go
Hello,
on.
let go of my protection then, no?
Best thing for I just go on. I'm serious.
Jesus Christ, I feel like playing my laptop so they.
Put your clothes, go on. Serious.
Yeah, they're going to. I'm up messing, man. They are working a piece.
But don't worry, I stay here and do no work. You say you feel
Oi,
single,
hello.
well, I keep on serious.
Man, crap me, you know.
You know what people say that?
So what?
If it's,
You don't know me feel.
go on home then, I know why you don't want me to feel single.
Let go of my shirt, man.
I'm serious, Kappa, go on.
Oh, you want a shirt? Hey, take it. Take it, hey. You want a shirt? Take the shirt.
You see all of this? And that's how we start my channel.
Ah,
And
right.
you're not ready
You
yet.
see? And that
You're
me I
not
get
ready
here
yet.
now. That's what you want to
All
know.
of a sudden you
Yeah,
feel,
long time
all of
after
a
that.
sudden you feel single.
It's a little long time, man. Don't come back and touch my laptop again.
All of a sudden you feel single.
You can't afford this, don't touch it.
All of a sudden you feel single. All of a sudden.
You have time for nobody, man.
If I feel single, you go
Jesus Christ, you put the laptop to the black.
If I feel single, you go on.
Let's put him laptop.
If I feel single, you go on. If I feel single, you go on.
Little girl. Come on, think, man.
If I feel single, you go on.
Yeah, you got to
Yeah,
run.
man, go.
What? So you did, man. Make sure that step by there, man. If time for it on you. From what you know, I say you move sideways. Do my thing, hear that? That's all you want to do.
You know what I'm going to do?
What?
I hate my Abbi's madness. I'm serious. If I feel single, go on. So right now, I just feel uncomfortable with you around me now. If I feel single, go on.
So I'm literally pushing up on Instagram page, so I'm going to check that it. But don't gone there already.
Alright, I did a picture. I don't have ball, I don't business.
Yeah, but you definitely have
Yeah, but
bad.
you don't know
Come
nobody.
back and relax
You don't know
yourself.
nobody. You can't
Well, I'm back and relax yourself.
Stop talking to me.
Whoa!
You don't know
So
nobody.
you can catch me and say, phone, I'm there. Shaky, man. If you're going to go me, I'll come on. The more.
More you go on now, come on.
The more. Hey!
But can't know say you don't
Hello.
feel comfortable and you're in here while me I try.
Hello, let go of my laptop.
No worries.
You can't afford, let it go.
No. You know worries.
Let it go, you can't afford, let it go.
Me no business, me can't afford.
I give this to me, let it go, don't touch it. Don't touch me, give them.
No, okay.
You see? Mash it back now.
You chat too much.
I put out what is.
Go on in your yard, me serious.
Watch out! You feel froggy now? You must feel froggy. Calm down yourself, man. You can't eat that.
When you feel single, you feel like you're single. Nobody don't feel like single still. There are people out there, them go on home. They feel go on home. Them don't.
Little girl,
There
stop.
are people. Stop paying for me. Go paying for me. I'm going to eat it.
I'm not eating that.
Go on home.
Stop touching my
Take your
laptop.
hand out of my face. Take your hand out of my face. If you feel single, go on home.
Stop touching my laptop. You want me to tell you? We never laughing thing with you. Where you go now?
I mean, like there are things there.
I mean, me and things. Oi.
Yeah,
Don't stop touching my thing then, please.
Alright, I'm ready. My video for post on my Abbi's.
And then go away and come back and stay there after the work. Don't feel like I'm going. You don't do them. The picture them delete.
No, picture can't me. Yeah, I
Alright,
can't.
okay,
Everything from can easily
look how you have
replace.
your
I
bang.
can easily replace you.
There's nobody else like me out there on it.
Yeah,
Nobody else like me out
You're
there.
handicapped.
Yes.
You're handicapped. You're a batty boy.
Yes. Nobody else like me.
With a big acne nose.
Perfect. You never
From
know.
from a blow.
6 years ago, you must have acting 6 years ago.
Yeah, but
Yeah, man. If I hear that.
like you said.
Oh, yeah, go. Yeah, me around with you. Come back next man. Ay, I'll be full of fun. When should I come back? I was so blind and I should come back in there. Oh yeah, both are going
Yeah, but
on.
give him phone.
Oh yeah, go.
Give him phone.
But talk, keep seeing yourself.
Yeah, but yeah, you never know what's out there.
My friend, man.
Why you post it?
Me need
Yeah,
to
irritate me. Why you post it?
Yo,
Why you
just
post it? Yeah,
depend on
irritate
me
me.
inside, man.
Why you post it?
Bomb
Yeah,
up
irritate
now.
me. Why you post it? Are you still in here? If you feel like
My girl, stop playing me here. Let go this thing up, man.
Yeah.
Don't come near me.
You didn't want to laugh.
Cause you know what?
Why you post it? Why you post it?
Little girl.
They say you feel.
Don't stop
Alright,
playing me
you say
here,
you
tell
feel
her.
single. Why still I do here?
About pass already?
Yes, go.
Just give me a couple hours,
Go.
do more work and
Give me
leave.
phone. I'm saying I got edit my video and if you never mind, you come take my phone. Yes, please. Yeah, but stop now. Why you open up face and you feel single people open up people's face?
Just like me, I did that because you understand. Me and can't have a conversation where they get angry. But that's not yourself, man. I'm telling you.
Your mouth stink. Yes. stinking mouth. Act like say you have things.
Oi.
Alright, let go from me.
If I'm gonna left you, I'm single from now on.
Alright.
How it feel for be single too?
You feel good, you know,
I
long you
think-
want to be single. A long time you want to be single. You can get for the everything you want.
Yeah, green light feed that you.
Come on, yeah.
Green light.
Hard work, getting it. Be the easy work you want.
Oh, you do what you want. You don't eat that.
Yeah, daddy.
Where you say that go? Lumba, yo, she mata wala ka mga ano. Yo, she had my finger a while ago, you know, but you know, I go there go see what she do. She must be really vexed now. Oh boy, so you know, I go see what she going to do there. AC gang, hit the like button, comment if you don't know say Capo catch her wicked. She want war and a pop bag. Team Capo all day, every day. You want me to wake up for you?
Yeah,
Why?
should I shoot?
What?
I should I shoot?
Me bite off your ears, man.
Move.
If you really wait for me though.
Yeah, boy, alright. I'm gonna edit my Abby's madness video and do my own thing.
Team Capo all the way, every day. I be emotional now, so when I do them prank ya, I know it'll dry out. It'll go dry out. So just make sure to subscribe if you're new and just know say yo, turn the notification bell. Oh, and a shout out to S&S family, one of our subscribers and also YouTubers. And them want to give them look support, so guys can go over there and check them out. S&S family. Shout out to Image and Dolly, rate them people there. Image and Dolly, big up on yourself. As usual, they don't know 100% you know man. Love and respect straight, you know. I'll be still vexed. I'm just going to say about being nice, but I do all I'm talking around, I say too noisy. So I come back in the room by myself and she not gonna follow me because I know she vex. So guys, as usual, AC gang is out.